Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. Absolutely freezing cold here in Newton Abbot in Devon today. We've got this Ford Transit Custom Trail going out to its new owner this morning. Again, it's the trail spec, so you get the nicer features, the more aggressive sort of looking grille on it, the bumper guard underneath, the black alloy wheels. In the cab area, the trails come standard with the leather interior, which is very nice, easy to keep clean as well. Very nice touch. This customer is spec'd for a Smart Tank 650. So you've got the false floor here. It's got 250 kilo capacity for storing other equipment on the floor. Line-X flooring, some more storage space down here. Take a look in the back. Obviously stainless steel van ports here for your RO system, water in, wastewater. Then you've got 2 outlets there for your hose reels. This customer has also opted for the power hose reel, which is a really nice touch. Very simple to use. Massive time saver. So this is the full RO system. All the filtration is stored behind the cabinets. It's got the Line-X flooring, the poly kit, IPR6, which is our new pole storage with the rollers on them. It's got the LED lighting, which is on toggle switches. Really nice spec, this van. Take a look around here. I'll show you around the other side and the cab area. So these trail vans are becoming very popular. They come with a nice spec, very nice spec indeed. If you are looking for something this type of spec, Transits, Peugeot Experts, we're fortunate enough at the moment to have plenty of stock. So if you're looking for something, give me a call, drop me an email. Excellent, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.